Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be showing you how to use slow cooker to cook beans, because we'll be cooking beans. And in Nigeria we have what we call coal pots, and we use this coal pot to cook a lot. And if you have ever tried beans cooked from using coal pot, you will appreciate the use of slow cooker in cooking your beans. And it's not only in Nigeria we use coal pot. In Africa, some part of Africa, I know of Ghana, I know of Senegal, I know here we use coal pot a lot. But this slow cooker is electric. So come along with me and let's do this together. But before I show you the pot, let me show you the ingredients we'll be using for our beans porridge or ewa riro. Some even call it beans pottage, beans porridge. I have here tatashe, the long one, red bell pepper with rodo, scotch bonnet pepper, just one. I have homemade seasoning, 2 cloves of garlic, pepper flakes, it's about 3 tablespoons, because I like that when I'm eating my beans, I like to feel the shaft or the flakes in my mouth. Yeah. And this is, I don't have crayfish at the moment, but I have periwinkle, and it's in powder form. You know periwinkle? Yeah, I have it. It's in the powder form. I have some onions and beans. They are best of friends. If you don't put onions in your beans, you will know that there's something missing out. So I have enough onions for my beans. I have salt, palm oil and water. And the chief of today's ingredient is the beans itself, and this beans is ewa oloyin, the honey beans, and it's already picked, all the dirty ones thrown away. This palm oil, I will not be putting it at the start of my beans. It's when my beans is almost done that I love putting my own palm oil. Ask me why, I don't know, I just like it that way. Now I'll be showing you the pot I'll be using. This is the pot I'll be using. It is called slow cooker. It is likened to what we normally use in Nigeria or in Africa, some part of Africa, that is called coal pot, where you put some coals in a pot and you fan it to flame, then you put your beans on it, or you just cook basically on it, instead of using cooker or using firewood. The coal pot, you know what I mean. So this is the English version or the European version of coal pot, and this one is electric. It will slow cook the beans for you. You will think you are eating the beans from the coal pot, but the only difference is that the smoke from the coal will be absent in this. But the good news about it is that just like you put your beans on the coal pot and you can go and sleep as long as there's enough water there, so also this one, you put everything in there and be rest assured after some hours it will be done and you enjoy your beans. So this is what I'll be using, and at this moment I'm going to be blending the peppers I showed you with the onions. Now it's time to pour our beans into the pot. It's washed. The pepper blended. I'm not interested in boiling the or cooking the pepper before pouring it in, because this is a slow cooker. It's going to slow cook, so I won't feel any rawness of the pepper. Now the flakes, pepper flakes. I love my beans spicy. Ask me why, I don't know. I just love it. I enjoy it being spicy. And this is the periwinkle powder, and this is the homemade seasoning. Some people don't like putting seasoning in their beans. The seasoning I've put is very mild, and salt, water. I'm going to add more water. The measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box. Please check it out. I put it on high here. It's on now. I put it on high. You may put it on low, but I don't want it to be, and it's medium. I don't want it to be too long. That's why I'm using high. I'll tell you exactly how many hours it's. You've added more water. Now let's just stir. Sometimes when I feel so lazy to cook, I'll just put everything inside the slow cooker and one stretch my legs, because it's going to cook it well for me without standing up all the time checking. Yeah, keep an eye on it. The palm oil is well incorporated. The taste of the palm oil is gone, so it's ready. Finally ready after about 6 hours. But I've done a lot of things in the house, done a lot of cleaning and all those stuff, not minding, no need to the cooker to check the beans. Everything is done. So if you like to cook your beans this way, you are welcome using the slow cooker or the crock. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover, and as you discover, you enjoy a lot. Today we have discovered how to use a slow cooker to cook beans, and we saw how very soft the beans turn out to be, and the joy of adding everything together at the same time, and just go and do other things or cross your legs and enjoy yourselves while it is cooking, without rushing to the cooker to be checking all the time, is a joy. So if you love what you see so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. To leave your comment in the comment section when you try it and you see how it is. Let me know if you really enjoyed using your slow cooker to cook beans. Till next time, bye.